Fabulous Ben back again. Nice wet morning or afternoon. I should be nuts to be doing this, but then it's just fun being on Ben, being back on Ben, Ben back on Ben. Yep, the fuel gauge is back on. The thing with the fuel gauge is when you fill it to the brim, the tank, the fuel gauge goes off, goes to the minimum point, and then it comes back on. Once there's a little bit of a drop in fuel, it gets back to its original position. I love the word original, hence the stress. Anyways, let's hope the camera doesn't give up on me and it records all this beautiful weather. Nothing much, just a small detour of sorts. Gonna take 2-3 detours on this road and enjoy the scenery for whatever it is. Nothing more. I see an off-road track. It's coming up somewhere here. Is it on top of this? Oh! Ho, 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 ho. Rainy day. Don't want to be pushing this. Look at that. Off-road fun. Hope this has been fun so far for you fellas. Well, I know there's a lot of guys doing a lot of things on their motorcycles, but that should not be the measure of motorcycling. What it should be is when you are on top of your bike and you do things. Wow, I just love this fella. The clutch is just a little too hard for me. I've set it to be more like a rally machine. So yeah, I will work on the clutch. Yeah, and get it to be a little more softer. But other than that, what a beautiful, beautiful machine. Trail riding, eh? Almost got an arm pump. And this unit is a dependable unit, isn't it? So yeah, head back to exit, finish, head back to this point, navigate, use DMD, start, get back to the point. It's pouring, fellas. It's fun. There are people around, but yeah. It's a beautiful and a pain in the ass kind of a day to be on. But then again, these are memories. You know, you quit on work, and then you just feel like heading out, exploring land, and wow, just look at that. Looks like a lake, a small nice lake, and that's the rally bike. This looks like risky business. Let's try it. It's real damn soil. This needs to be a pot. Hold on to this. Risky business. Whoa. Let's do a fast one. Hey, where did I enter? Yeah. Yep. Sharp turn. Woohoo! Looks risky, but not so much. Be very careful of these pillars. Nice and damp soil. Don't want to get caught in this. Might as well stay here. And some pictures. Oh, we shall lay it on the ground. Woo! Thought I'll climb on this and then share with you fellas how this looks like. Nice, eh? Hit me on the ground. Wow. What a day this has turned out to be. Wow. I wish more of you got inspired and did things on your own. One thing for sure is be cautious. Be careful with land. This can be deadly. You should know. You should know a lot, and for that you need to have the experience too. So it's imperative that you're out here trying different landscapes and gaining experience, gaining knowledge. No amount of internet reading is going to help you take on real land. Real land can prove to be dangerous and equally fun. What's the whole point of adventure riding if you don't have fun, eh? Ooh, like a child. And when you're doing it solo, almost always the adventure is threefold. There's a sense of adrenaline, or there's always adrenaline rush in your blood, and you feel everything a lot more than you do when you're with company. With company, it's fun, it's joy, but when you're on your own, there's a lot of threat involved. Your safety and everything comes into the picture. Open lands, my lands. Yeah, let's get back going on the Himi. These boots are fun. Motocross boots. Let's take the big fella back on its two wheels, and then let's head back home. The lean angle sensor. So that was that. Hope you enjoyed today's adventure. We'll catch up on another one. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.